Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom LED lamp notifications to Vivo X90 Pro. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, find app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here you'll be able to get around to permissions for the app, and it's necessary to make that app work. So let's go through that. Last is battery optimization, and it's optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled. Let's proceed. Now we can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and the Settings. In User, you can enable any apps to allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In System, there's all apps that are bound to your system. In Active, you can find all apps that you just activated. And in the Settings, you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen. Now let's click on the test button and you should see the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.